start whenever.
Hi, this is Sparky. Good morning from Dallas, Texas. We're here at the Haas Moto Museum. We're just going through the ARCH motorcycle in the collection. This is the KRGT-1 prototype, one of the prototype bikes for the Keanu Reeves and Gard Hollinger's ARCH motorcycle company. It's 124-inch motor, S&S, pretty much a performance street bike, V-twin, American horsepower right here. And just did a service on it, cleaned the injectors. The exhaust system on this thing, it sounds amazing. I'm gonna start it up and just go ride it around a little bit. It feels great.